Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some exciting ways to earn over $1,300 using Google's free tools in 2025. Sounds unbelievable? Stay tuned, and I'll show you how. In today's digital world, there are countless opportunities to make money online, and Google provides some powerful tools to help you get started. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just looking to make some extra cash, these strategies can work for you. First up is affiliate marketing with Google Ads. This is where you promote products through affiliate links. You can use Google Ads to drive traffic to your links. Here's how to get started. Find a niche. Pick a product category you're passionate about. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Create a Google Ads campaign. Use Google's Keyword Planner to find profitable keywords. Optimize and track. Monitor your campaigns and adjust for better performance. You can earn significant commissions this way, and reaching $1,306 is absolutely possible. Next, let's talk about YouTube content creation. If you enjoy making videos, this is for you. Here's a simple breakdown. Choose a channel theme. Pick a niche: fitness, tech reviews, cooking, etc. Create quality content. Use Google's free tools like YouTube Editor to enhance your videos. Monetize. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Consistency is key. Upload regularly to grow your audience. With the right content, it's feasible to earn over $1,300 through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Have you ever thought of offering services online? Freelancing using Google Forms is a great way to start. Here's how you can do it. Identify your skills. Think about what services you can offer: graphic design, writing, virtual assistants, etc. Create a service offering form. Use Google Forms to create a simple questionnaire for clients. Promote your services. Share your form on social media platforms and freelance websites. Deliver and earn. Once you get clients, deliver quality work and get paid. Depending on your rates, earning $1,306 can happen faster than you think. Lastly, consider app development for Google Play. If you have a knack for coding or a great app idea, this opportunity is huge. Learn to code. Use free resources like Google Developers. Develop an app. Create something useful or fun, like a game or productivity tool. Monetize your app. Use ads or in-app purchases. Launch on Google Play. Once your app is published, promote it and watch the downloads roll in. A successful app can bring in substantial income, helping you hit that $1,306 target fast. There you have it. 4 practical ways to earn over $1,300 using Google's free tools. Remember, the key is persistence and creativity. Have you tried any of these methods? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.